Okay, this is going to be a 60-second review of the Oracle tail lights for the 2023 Jeep Gladiator JT. This happens to be in Mojave trim, and let me just say these things so that way you get another point of view. My point of view is that these Oracle tail lamps, these tail lights from Oracle, are absolutely fantastic. I know people talk about maybe some trim, some fit and finish issues, but man, mine went on like butter. I mean, absolute butter. I mean, there's already other videos explaining the install. So again, I'm not going to insult my 12 subscribers. I just wanted to get my honest opinion. I got these and I put them on when the truck had 64 miles on it. I'm now finally pushing 400 in these few days, and they just look great. They make the Gladiator look so clean, man. I really can't say enough about them. And then of course I had to use the resistor because, you know, hey, I wanted the performance of the Mojave, but I didn't spring for the LED stuff, man. I figured I was gonna get these anyway, so pop the factory ones off ASAP, and got these Oracles on there right now, and so worth it. The fit and finish for me is fantastic, and yeah, you don't have to go crazy with the screws that are the inside. Let me just get here. Let's see if I can see those right here. Yeah, right there. You know, just when you put it back on, just press against the truck, and you don't have to go crazy with the torque because it's plastic. And man, they just it fits real nice. Fits real nicely. Oracle tail lights in LED form now. I did put the little resistor in there, and no check engine, no check light, no nonsense like that. A nice, beautiful, regular blink rate. The Oracle tail lamps for the JT. Fit and finish is tight for me. I've heard from others that they were concerned about a gap. I've got no gap. No gappage there. All good, tight tail lamp. That's all I got. Again, makes that JT just look tough, in my opinion. I love it. Y'all have a good one. Bye.